Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. I am a Master Certified Wedding Planner and the florist. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and a wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. We do destination wedding. We also do home staging. So if you have an event where you selling a home and you want us to stage it. If you just have or decor space in your house that you need decor in your office, we do charity events, we do summit, pretty much anything that need planning and decor we handle. Um, we travel all around the globe to do business. We do also do milestone, graduations, birthday, anniversary. So you just name it all. So today I'm gonna get on the if you're just joining me, I decided to do this video every single day to just help clients, prospective people who DIY weddings, or just anyone who just want to get a little bit more information what they need to do in regards to the special day and how to plan certain things and do certain things. I'm extremely grateful because this month was it was super busy and extremely challenging. I have multiple events the whole month of May, like every single weekend this month. I have some kind of event or some kind of wedding, especially wedding. So Monday was a little crazy, so it took a time to really. It was a little challenge trying to do these videos and also do that because many days you will probably see me yarning because I was so tired. It's like sometimes I just want to go to sleep. But I'm glad that I made it. I'm so proud of myself because it was tough, but at least now I know I can do it. So I'm grateful. June is busy, but it's not as crazy busy as May was. But I'm still grateful. So I'm just going to jump into today. Today I'm going to talk about registration, bridal registry, and you know. And when it comes to registry, it's based on the couple needs and the couple want what you want to put on your registry, what you don't want to. The first thing is that as soon as you get engaged, you can do as early as soon as you get engaged and start putting stuff on your registry. You don't have to wait to the wedding. Um, the reason for that is that it gives people enough time to look at stuff and know what you want to. I'm not saying that if you get engaged and you're having a 3 year long hiatus. So once you get engaged and you set your date when your wedding is supposed to be, you can put your invitation out. Your registry. I'm sorry. So I'm not saying that if you get engaged and you think about you're not having a wedding for 3 years and you put a registry up for people to buy you gifts. But you can still start putting stuff on there and don't make it public until you put a date. So even before you send in your invitation, you can have those just that added. And you can also do as a fun event. It don't most couples believe that it's always the bride that do stuff. You and your spouse can sit there and put the registry together. Um a lot of times you can even go into a store. I know like Target, I don't know if they still do that, but I remember at one point they used to give you this gun, the shopping gun, where you just go and just scan. It was so fun. You just scan and scan. I remember when I was getting married, it was fun because you just scan stuff and they give you like a free prize and discount and different things. It's a lot of things in the registry package. And another thing is that register to multiple locations, register stores, I should say, um, and bigger stores. So you want to do your Target, you want to do your Walmart, you want to do um, Amazon, you want to do Home Goods, you want to do so pretty much do like a lot of stores where people can get more stuff. It's common around everybody that it can do certain things. And my things I would say to you, if you are not a former person, what I mean by that, if you normally don't care for fancy channels and all of that, don't put on your registry. Don't put something on there you're not going to use. Now, and also don't put personal stuff. Like for example, don't put a toothbrush, a shaving stick. Those are things that more personal stuff. You want to put things that both of you guys will like together, both of you guys, so you can do your registry together as a couple and make it fun. You can choose to do it online or you can do it in person, and they don't have to be one day. You can do it on a spread and just add things here and there, to give the guests a little flexibility. My goal is that always want to do low to high. You don't automatically want to put the highest thing on there and put the lower things on there. So you want to give it flexibility where everybody has some kind of option what they're going to bid. And it's up to the guest. Don't be offended if somebody choose to bring you something else that's a surprise. It makes it fun. Maybe somebody might look on the registry and decide that, well, maybe I think this is more personal and I think they would benefit from this. You can have that. Another option is you can tell guests to give you a gift receipt or everything that you want. So just in case you don't want it, you can return it. So it's not proper, but if you choose to do that, that's up to you. But most people anyway that knows that buying gift for somebody always put a gift receipt in there. That's the proper etiquette things to do, but everybody's different. And another thing is that if you're not into a registry, some people may not want things. Sometimes you may have couples who lived together before they got married, like long together, so they already have almost everything that you need. There's nothing wrong with doing a both cash and a regular registry. You can do a registry or towards buying your home. If you want people to help you, you can do a registry towards your honeymoon. You can do both cash and gift certificate. Just let people know what you want because everybody's different. Some people might want something small and pick your taste. Don't try to do things that's so you want to have a variety of options for people. So that's why I say use massive stores that will have a lot more selection to do things that you will have instead of and just doing one place. The thing is, don't do nothing more than three, 2 to 3 or 4. I'll say 4 is pushing it, but like at least 3 to 4 maximum. That way, give people a lot of selection, and this information can be put on your website, on your wedding website. People can go there and look at your registry. You don't want to put your registry on your invitation or the save date. That's just tacky. Do not do that. You can put it on your wedding website. You can put your wedding website and information and say everything you need to know. You can do that. If you want to text that or email them to guests, that is fine. But do not put your registry on your information on your invitation. That is just unacceptable. Um, Another thing is that when you doing your registry, make sure these are things that you're going to use. Make sure that things that you're gonna take advantage of. You don't want somebody giving you a gift and it just sitting on your china cabinet for years and years to come. You haven't opened it, you haven't used it. We all have gifts that people give us and we just haven't touched. So make sure don't just do it because you see it look pretty or because you think it's awesome. Oh my God, this is so cute. Ask yourself the question: am I really going to use this? Because if somebody buying something, you want to be able to take some use of it. So make sure this is something that you want. As I said, if you're not into the registry, there's a lot of things you can do. People can help chip into your honeymoon. People can help do a lot of things that you want. Sometimes maybe if you're into book or you're into art, you can put a lot of different things on there that people can contribute towards. Some gold, because everybody wants something towards a good cause. Some people may still opt up to do something else, but that's up to them. Financially, everybody budget is different. So if you put something you want to, as I stated, you want to give it over a big range, something as low as $10, $5 to as high as you want it to go. So tower set, kitchen supplies, things that you need, and they'll put it up there because if people don't know what you want, they will not buy stuff for you. So give them enough time so that way they can look at the site and look at the things that they see. Okay, give them enough time to plan and maybe enough time to buy a great gift for you. If they look on the site, they can budget towards this and say, okay, well, this is what I want to give that person. But if you put your registry on last minute, then they don't give guests enough time to buy what they need to buy for you or what they do. So rule to make sure your registry is out early in time for people to do that. But that is all for today. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can go to my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationseven and creation with an S events.com, where you can learn more about my services. You can also sign up for a free 30-minute consultation where you can tell me about your upcoming event and we can set a timer. And even if you choose to use my service or not, you still have that option. Who don't want something free? Even if there's anything you can learn from that, I will give you your input. Why not? You can also sign up for My courses, if you're planning a wedding, you just want to learn information about how to plan your wedding from start to finish. I have a 2 hour class where I teach you every detail from start to finish, everything that you need to plan your wedding. But once again, thank you for being here. As I said, as the month go back closer, as the wedding season die down, I will try to do a little bit more videos on wedding decors, and I should show you some of the aspects. But right now it's wedding season, so it's really challenging me for me to do that. But thank you, and enjoy your amazing day. Bye.